abo bamenyete no bulema ngosoma bali asa mazingira amaya na kuigwa buna abana bande ekyombegia the National Fund for the Disabled of Kenya nigo kiaruro bokonyi bwenyomba yoboraro ochia ase skuru ya Nyakome Friends Special School eyo gotoka imeya ward ya Marani bunge ya Kitutu cha North. Skuru eyo nigebwate abana bamenyete gosebale no mochando bokoigwa mu director w'Ekisemi nigago keire getambo kirekige serikali anene asokorwa obokonyi obo nabo igo kubasaba Abaorokigwa abo kwerenda ubiyana Kobeka Omokia asa masomo elibabe abantu bengenjo asa matuko abosio Murikito Caroline Mausa namange
Abaorokigwa abo bale no balema kurwa sukuru ya Nyakome Friends Special Schools bari nekire bagucengera rituko lya rero magega Kobeka the National Fund for the Disabled of Kenya kubabwatokera enyombe enye yoboraro eyirachikwa bake gutumika naba murako ikera abamura 50.
It is a 50 bed capacity taking care of the boys in the school. It has costed us 3 million to construct and furnish. So we have beds, mattresses in there. And we are looking forward to having all the boys in the institution, currently 40, but going to 50.
Bagukwana ime skuru yuli tukolia rero nigo mwalimu munene bwe skuru yu abagakogokera egetambo kirekyo na gwakambia mono gochia Kobeka asoko baletera umurobeli oyu.
The dormitory, a very beautiful dormitory for the boys, and we are very grateful as the stakeholders, as the community, as the learners, and even the teaching staff. We have been having a challenge in hosting our boys, but now we have at least a relief. They have given us a dormitory which has been equipped. They have the beds, they have new mattresses, they have new blankets, and I think they will enjoy.
Waigoniga Kobeka kiabanekeire buna gicikobage kubwaterana na barabwa soko eneke buna nkonyora bara magendero aisaine abwa soko beka orubago rugusirba Kobeka perimeter wall ime sukuru eyo nabo kubagachira enyagitari.
We want this school to be a more developed, more comfortable learning institution. Let us reinforce our security, especially on the upper part. We want to come and see this school in future having a perimeter wall. Getting it? A perimeter wall, so that we have security now, but we want to perfect that security so that we can be able to have a very safe environment for our learners.
Anene mona Abaorokigwa nigo basabire Kobeka Omokia na gotegubuna nigo barasengencho mono gochia se abaiboli babo.
Whatever the teachers are teaching you and directing you to do, we want you to work with determination to follow what the teachers are instructing you to do, and may you also develop to realize your full potential in this society.
Bagukwana ime skuru iri tukolia rero nigo mwalimu munene bwe skuru agokera egetambo kirekyo na gwakamia mono gochia serikali asoko basira koba enyombe yoyo boraro.
So dropping out of school was very high, and that is the reason that we came to request for the national NFDK to help us. Now that we have had this dormitory already, as it was complete. Since it was complete, that is 2 months ago, we have had 8 admissions of boys only. So I'm very sure coming next year, we are going to fill this dormitory with even more than 50. That is the capacity.
Bono niga baiboli na boiga bateneri kurwase esukuru ya Nyakome iyo gotoka imeye ward ya Marani bunge ya Kitutu cha North bakirembu ya mono gochia serikali enene ya Kenya asoko bao bokonyi buko abagachira enyomba yoboraro kurwase ward ya Marani me bunge ya Kitutu cha North county ya Kisii Elietere Mausa Caroline.